Yeah, we're here, we're still waiting in Paris. We'll be boarding soon. Um, yeah, we're super tired. We're just ready to go. See you all. Bye. So just to give you guys a little backstory, we're supposed to leave Montreal and from Montreal to Paris. And from Paris, we were supposed to take another plane, which was different from the first flight that we took. And this plane was supposed to go from Paris to Amsterdam, then from Amsterdam to Poland, Warsaw, which was our destination. Yo, look at my eyes, man. I did not sleep. Long story short, we missed our flight to Poland and we had to spend our night in Amsterdam, which was a very stressful day. But thank God we made it to Poland to celebrate the wedding of my cousin. So we were really happy to see each other and we were all catching up. So which was really awesome. So this was the following day after the wedding. Now it was time to explore the city of Warsaw in Poland, and I'm gonna take you along with me. So let's go. You got the whole world in your hand. Within the past, we know day. You got the whole world in your hand. Commando, commando. I get God and I get life. Everything else you go work for me. Me and no date to the room with the cutter. Now you make a favor, follow me. Oh. You make the blessing come and knock on my door. And if I want to go order, you know that the focus.